Claire, how big are you? Are you so big? Yeah. Yeah, so big. Do you want another carrot? Yum, yum. That's so good. Where's Jack? Where's Jack? No, I'm Mama. Where's Jack? Where is he? Where's Jack? There's Milo. Yeah. More. There you go. Carrot. Bye-bye, Milo. Bye-bye, Milo. Ah. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Who are you waving bye-bye to? Who are you waving bye-bye to? Huh? Oh! Uh-oh. There. You're such big stuff. You got it upside down, sweetie. There you go. You turn it around. So proud of yourself.
What are you doing?
She's so proud that she could drink out of that city by herself. She's not even really drinking, it's all going down her chin.
It's good water.
Claire, can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.